our life is complicated. There are some of you who's concerned about Mishka's schooling. Paano yung pag-aaral ni Mishka? Kahapon, as in sobrang bagsak na bagsak talaga kami ni Ate. So hopefully, tomorrow or next day, maayos na yung aming problema. Bye! Love you! Enjoy school! No scooter? Bye! No more scooter! Walking na lang silang dalawa ngayon. She will say goodbye, but there's a car. Okay, bye. We are now slowly arranging and packing our things. So today is the last day of Mishka's final assessment. There are some of you who's concerned about Mishka's schooling since we are leaving Madikeri. Paano yung pag-aaral ni Mishka? March 25th is the last day, school day for Mishka. I have already asked the principal if do we need the transfer certificate for her because as I remember, whenever you transfer school, right, you have to get transfer certificate. So I have inquired already about it and it's not required. They don't need to submit a transfer certificate to their next school. She said that the graduation certificate, which they have distributed already during Mishka's annual day, that's enough, and some identification like her birth certificate, Aadhaar card. So that's it. They don't need the transfer certificate. So March 25th will be the end of her school year here in Madikeri. And after that, she is free to leave the school and transfer to another school. Others might think na hindi namin iniisip yung pag-aaral ni Mishka, but it's not true. Actually, the reason why Abhi submitted his resignation last December is because we already know that he will be having 3 months notice period. So it will end on March right now. And Mishka's school year will also end this March. So lahat to guys nakaplano. Hindi siya yung basta-basta lang nag-resign si Abhi sa trabaho. Lahat to nakaplano na December siya mag-resign para March alis kami dito. Tapos na yung school ni Mishka, ganon. So we are not taking for granted Mishka's schooling. We are planning accordingly so that it will not harm or compromise her studies. So today is 19 and this coming Friday, we will have our last and final parents-teachers meeting. So we will be attending that. I have read one comment that like our life is complicated. How's Mishka's schooling? What will happen to her? So like everything was planned.
Yeah.
So that her schooling won't be compromised. So.
And we are waiting for 25th.
Yeah, 25th, her last school day. And after that, we'll leave Madikeri. So now, slowly, we are packing our things.
Yeah.
So today, another takeaway. Meron silang gagawin na buzzing bee. She's so excited. There's only one eye. And no, here, you need 2 eyes. So
this
first,
I will do. This I will do, baby.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
They are good na. They are keep on giving things.
Just last week, ito yung kanilang ginawa, wall hanging. Eh, the other day lang pala ito. Wall hanging. Come here, instruction. No, Mimi, we don't need paint. We have this. This one only. You need the glue. Go get your glue. We don't need the colors. Akala niya kailangan namin ng paint colors. We don't need colors. Go get your glue. And scissors.
Come, baby.
She loves arts and crafts.
Daddy, Abraham not have same like this.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey.
Big one he have.
She.
She has pig.
Okay. Ask the child to apply glue on the oval shaped paper and stick the black and yellow strips in alternate manner.
Wait.
Keep it for drying. Trim the extra edges.
Wait, let me help you.
What is this word? Wow word?
Abundant.
Very good. Abundant.
Abundant means
A lot. Many.
A lot many.
and there
This one.
Lemon.
delicate.
Lemon.
Delicate.
Delicate.
Every week, they were given these flashcards. They're wow words. So every week, they are learning new words.
It's like spaghetti cut. Why don't I do spaghetti cut?
Careful, careful.
I like spaghetti. Yes, I eat it. Yum 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 yum. Ah.
Mimi, baby. Show them, huh?
Bossy bee.
We are done making her buzzing bee. Hindi kaya ng glue, so we use glue stick for sticking her wings and the antenna. Show na, daddy ko. So cute. Love, you can make this your necklace. Come here. Tell me your necklace. Wait. Ooh! Show daddy. Yes, he needs to process some papers.
Yeah, like terminal benefits,
And
provident fund, and all those things.
some documentations. Now she is used that you're here from many days na.
Give me some
Pag
time.
umaalis si Abhi, umiiyak siya.
This is maybe the last time I'm going office. After that, I will not go.
And 24/7 you'll be together.
This will be the last time. Okay. Chal.
Bring her na lang bala.
I'm going regional office, huh?
I'll be alone here. Then I'll be sad. We are going for a walk. We are enjoying our last few days here in Madikeri. So I think this is the first time that we are enjoying our walk here in Madikeri. Sabi na Api, ngayon na siya nakapag-walking without stress.
Because every time I was conscious that what if someone will see me. Huh?
So now you have the freedom.
There.
You're tired already?
No.
This is exercise already
I'm
because
thinking for Mishka.
he was planning to do his exercise at home.
He's taking for me.
But eh, sabi ko mag-walking na lang sa labas.
for me.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, my love. I think for you.
That is thinking that you will get tired. I am also thinking. We'll disassemble this.
Yeah.
Mishka is not using this.
Maybe Patna with Mithi she will
Yeah, with her cousins, maybe she will enjoy
Yeah.
playing in this house. But as of now, you can count in your fingers the time. The only
Then Mithi
time.
will she will play. I'll take a picture, huh? Like frame of this, no?
Yeah. So it's like red, blue, red. I'll take a picture. I kept the box because I know that we'll be using it.
Soon.
1 month. 1 month. Huh?
Yeah.
Mainit na din ngayon dito sa Madikeri, guys. Feel na feel mo na yung summer. Tan.
Don't look to me, guys.
Why? Why? They are not looking.
Ah!
Dito kami ngayon sa kwarto kasi sabi nag-exercise sa sala. So, hindi pwedeng i-on yung ceiling fan. So, dito kami naman siya sa kwarto. What is that?
Hey, hey.
Who is Hey Hey? They don't know who is Hey Hey.
Hey, hey's good chicken.
And who is he?
Moana is Hey, hey's friend.
Yes, very good.
What do you want to do?
Mimi, who are the members of the family?
Grandmother, grandfather, baby, brother, sister, uncle, mother, father.
Very good. I'm having my hair salon treatment tonight. 2 araw na medyo stress kami ni Abhi kasi kahapon we were trying something on our Facebook page and nawalan kami ng access sa aming Facebook page na JV's Life in India. So, if na-notice nyo, kaninang umaga, na-deactivate yung aming account. Since yesterday, we were trying to recover the account. So, what we have done today is nagpa-verify kami kay Meta. Only then, they were able to respond to our message. Yung sabi namin is yun na kami yung owner ng Facebook page na to, ganito, ganyan. And nawalan kami ng access. So, since kaninang umaga, under investigation yung aming Facebook page. So, sabi nung nag-assist sa amin kanina, it will take 24 hours to 48 hours daw yung pag-resolve nila ng aming problema. So, hopefully, tomorrow or next day, maayos na yung aming problema. Kasi sobrang, ano siya guys, nakaka-stress yung kahapon. As in, sobrang bagsak na bagsak talaga kami ni Abhi kasi alam mo yung 6 years na pinaghirapan ko personally yung Facebook page na yun. 122,000 followers sa aming Facebook page. And sobrang laki na yun, guys. And it's also another source of our income. Kung ano man yung nakukuha namin doon sa Facebook, it's a big help para sa amin, lalo na ngayon sa bagong yugto ng buhay namin. So, parang kahapon, grabe. Tapos kagabi, hindi din maganda yung tulog ko. Tapos kaninang umaga, yun na kakahanap ni Abhi ng mga videos kung paano, kung ano yung gagawin namin regarding sa issue namin na ganito, mga related videos. So, yung may parang isang suggested video na magpa-verified sa Meta, yung merong blue tick, yung account mo, kasi mas madali daw sila mag-respond kapag meta-verified ka. So, ayun, nagpa-verify kami. Ang bilis talaga nila mag-reply, guys, after ng message kami. Mga 1 oras lang ata or 30 minutes, may tumawag na sa amin, international call, yung mag-a-assist sa aming issue. So, hopefully talaga tomorrow or in the coming days, maging okay na yung aming account. Sobrang nangihinayang ako kasi iniisip ko, magsisimula na naman ako from the scratch, gagawa ng bagong account. Ilang years na naman yung aabutin bago ko ma-reach yung status na meron yung current Facebook page ko, diba? So, I just hope na maayos na yung issue na to.
Maragan.
Do I look pretty?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mommy,
should not be too short na. That is fine.
Okay.
Why are you going to cut my bangs? This is enough. Enough bangs. Aragoy. Kumuha siya ng gunting. Yup.
Now look at me.
Okay. This one, not on this. Hindi naman ganun. Ay! Hindi naman ganun ka-sharp ito. I'll try. No, this one, small one. Aragoy! Ala, you can cut my hair. No, don't use this. Akala ko hindi siya sharp. Are you done?
No.
Ouch!
Just like
It's done?
not yet.
Okay. Thank you. I like your hair salon. You're so good. You're such a good hair salon. Alright! So currently, we are just using the second account, the second Facebook page that we have created. So if you have not followed us on our second page, guys, please do follow us. We will try to post regularly on that page. Follow our page and help us grow this page. We are almost 1K followers dito sa page namin na to. Tatlo na lang and we will reach our first milestone, 1,000 followers on this second channel. So please do follow us. Here we will try to post our travels, food.
Today, this is my hair so I make mommy's hair very beautiful. You like? Yes, mommy.
Yeah, I like. Show them what's in there.
There's princess and flower. So look at mommy is very pretty. Please like our channel, subscribe.